Astral Limited Q3 FY26 results, strong volume growth, margins under pressure. Astral delivered a steady but mixed performance in Q3 FY26, marked by strong volume growth in its plumbing segment but visible pressure on margins and net profit. Consolidated revenue grew by 10% year-on-year, reflecting continued demand traction despite a challenging industry environment. EBITDA rose modestly, but EBITDA margin softened compared to last year, indicating cost pressures and pricing challenges. Profit after tax declined on a year-on-year basis, highlighting that earnings growth did not fully keep pace with revenue expansion during the quarter. The plumbing business remained the key growth driver, reporting volume growth of nearly 17%, significantly outperforming the broader plastic pipe industry. This suggests Astral continues to gain market share, supported by distribution strength and brand positioning, even as overall demand remained weak. However, sharp declines in PVC and CPVC prices during the quarter led to inventory losses and impacted realizations. These factors weighed on margins, despite the company delivering one of the highest EBITDA margins in the industry for the plumbing segment. The paints and adhesive segment posted double-digit revenue growth, but margins in this segment also moderated sequentially. While the business continues to scale up, profitability remains sensitive to raw material costs and competitive intensity. Bathware emerged as a bright spot, recording strong growth both for the quarter and the 9-month period. This indicates improving product acceptance and offers potential for margin expansion over the medium term if scale benefits kick in. Operationally, Astral continued expanding capacity, commissioning the Kanpur facility and increasing production limits. Management commentary suggests improving traction in North India, which could support volume growth in coming quarters. The acquisition of Nexalon Chem marks a strategic step toward backward integration in CPVC resin, though the entity is yet to commence operations. If executed well, this could reduce raw material dependency and improve margin stability over the long term. Astral's balance sheet remains healthy, supported by strong cash balances, providing flexibility for capex, acquisitions, and expansion initiatives. ESG performance also improved meaningfully, strengthening the company's long-term institutional appeal. Overall, Q3 FY26 reflects a phase of strong operational execution but earnings normalization due to external cost pressures. The key monitorables ahead remain margin recovery, pricing power, and how quickly inventory losses reverse if raw material prices stabilize. The shareholding pattern remained relatively stable, with promoters holding around 54% of the company. These increased their stake sequentially, while FIIs reduced exposure, indicating a mixed institutional outlook on near-term earnings. Do you think Astral's strong volume growth and capacity expansion justify current valuations, or do margin pressures make the stock vulnerable in the near term? Share your views in the comments. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.